Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I just wanted to share a bit about how I structure my business in terms of money coming in and stuff like that, and how I spend it and how much I keep for myself and whatnot. So, the main right now, my first 2 months this year, I've made about $600 a month. So, I mean, that's fairly decent for me right now. I think that's good with my own little business running that. Because I had another after school job, you'd make probably maybe $800 right now with all the stuff I'm doing, right? You got to keep in mind I'm doing school, business, YouTube channel, and basketball all right now. So, I've been pretty busy with that, but $600 a month, that's pretty decent. And so what I usually do is I keep 50% for myself and 50% goes into the back end of the business. So that 50% that goes back into the business, that's for buying more supplies, buying more wood, buying more tools. That's all I spend that with. I don't so that's why my budget is kind of limited on the tools that I buy and stuff like that. And going back, putting more money into epoxy. I've never taken out any sort of loan for this business, and I never plan to over all the years. But that's the way I do it. Then the other 50%, I give 50% to myself because I don't know. I just have a lot of expenses too, right? I drive a car to school every day and stuff like that. That's about $200 a month. My expenses are for gas and whatnot to get to school. So that's just for me, just keep going and not dip into my savings and stuff like that. But if I really wanted to, I would put probably about 80% or 100% back into the business if I really wanted it to thrive. But I'm not doing that because, again, I don't want to dip into my savings, but also this isn't a business I want to do for very much longer. Maybe about another year. I just want to make it to at least summertime. I want to try to make it go through the winter. I've never made it go all the way through the winter, only just to December, and then I've quit. But I really want to make it go quite farther. That's why in previous years I've taken more for myself and not put as much into the business. It'd probably be about 70-30. Take 70% for myself and 30% went back into the business. But now I'm doing 50-50. If I really was planning on making this business go on for a very much long time, if I wanted to have this for the next 2 years, I would be, yes, pouring 80% back into the business, maybe even 100 of all the money I make, all the revenue coming in here. But that's just what I do. 50-50. That works for me. It covers my expenses, keeps the business. I mean, we still do have a lot of money for stuff. Like we just bought a planer. That was out of that lot. And we just bought a big order of wood, as you might seen. I've showed in the previous videos. And we are able to keep up with other expenses and stuff like that. One of my goals, though, for this business is one thing that I really would like to achieve is a sawmill, because we do have a bit of bush here, and I think it would just be a big improvement and quite something that I'd really like doing. But that is one of the goals for the business, so I will be maybe saving up for one of those things. Again, and we just bought a whole bunch more epoxy too. So yeah, that's how I structure this business, and please subscribe if you're able to. And thanks for watching.